Hello everyone. Let's talk about power. Power of small tasks, or how we call it in agility or DevOps, power of one story points. I'm Evelina. I'm coming from Lithuania, and for around last 15 years, we're working in test management area. What that means? Yeah, you're basically trapped between governance and fancy things, always in between. When I have time, chasing my developers or convincing my managers, I read books, I write books, I have podcasts, and I do hiking in the nature to relax, to find the power, to have the power to do it. What we are facing, what we are talking about. I'm quite often in the situations when we have legacy systems, low unit or line coverage, few automated scripts, lots of exploratory scripts, and on top of that comes the theory of new fancy things, new features, scaling, fast delivery, CI/CD, continuous integration, everything buzzwords. We just starting doing fancy things. And then we have limited time, no budget, priority clashes, discussions, like saying what you're doing, everything is shaky, the deployment takes like half a day. And what do I do? I'm the test manager, I have no money. So only thing I asked from the team is one story point per iteration to work on things that matters for the quality. Just one story point. It could be 2 hours of 3 people working with me. It could be one person working one day or one person working 1 hour each day per week. I don't care. But can you find one story point? And why it worked? It first was visible task to do because it's planned, it's refined, it's official, it's small and doable task. Install the system, automate system. It's affordable task. Everyone could find that one story point, just sneak it out. POs prioritized it, POs know about it, awareness is raised, and then it's that magic of incrementality. Because each time you build on what's already was done before. You're out of the budget discussions, yeah? And teams are happy to do something for the test manager, because otherwise I'm just running around with total, hurry. What we achieved? We are a bank. We are a big legacy project. So we needed to increase unit and integration test coverage. We integrated our tool into CI/CD platform. POs automated very happily their user acceptance tests. We built a new tool, proof of concept extended. We created smoke tests. We have like 15 applications that need to run each day. We converted our performance trends into daily scripts that we could measure our application. We stabilized finally test data load. Test users, test data sounds familiar, never works. Everyone knew about quality topics because they prioritize it. And test manager was more than happy, and everyone could demo what they did for test manager. They were even more happy teasing me about it. And that was done in the lifespan or time span of 2 years. Nothing goes fast. No agile, no DevOps, no improvement goes fast. You need time and you need to do in the small steps. So my experience is that our drill, one story point per iteration, will continue. We don't call it anymore one story point. It's already, we are already matured, but everyone knows that they could reserve a bit of time to achieve what's important. And that was proven that it works. So when I'm, as a QA specialist in this DevOps conference, I'm looking for more ideas. So what can I do? What are the next steps? What you guys and ladies are doing? What you're improving? At the same time, I could imagine if you're the technical specialist, you're also quite overwhelmed from the topics that are buzzing around you. Do this, do this, do this. We're hearing lots of stories already about the learning, about the security, about the transformation. You also could start from the one story point per iteration with your team doing something. It pays off. And that's how we build things that last with the power of small incremental tasks. Thank you.